They actually good.
This fool going outside too. Alright, let's sit down.
Peace, everybody. This is Milana Al Hassan of the Crypto Plan and DeFi Group. Today, we're going to talk again about Beehive Hedge and what I put in here so far as the Apis and BHC coin, the Beehive coin. So today, I already went through it, but currently have 1,927 Apis. The reason that I even have these in my wallet is because in the beginning, if you remember, if you've seen the first couple of videos, I kind of messed up because I didn't know how the system went. But I'm gonna show you exactly how the system goes. 70% on this side. Now, let me go back. Okay, follow me right now. When I first started off, I had invested, right? But what you're gonna get is, let me see if I can find, okay, what you're gonna get is, you're gonna get, once the investment is done, okay, if you don't reinvest, so take for instance, I did 16,994, 16,994 Apis coins. I received 8,000 Apis, right? After 7 days, it goes right here. But when I tried to invest in the beginning, it didn't let me invest because I end up buying more Apis, more BHC coins, change them into Apis, and then starting another stake, another investment. So what you want to do is whenever your profit is available in your wallet, because it has to be in your Tron wallet, after you withdraw, the reinvest button will pop up. Okay, and it's going to say you received this amount. I recommend you go to your Tron wallet and see if you received it. And once you received it, right, you go to reinvest and then hit reinvest. And see right here, it tells me I don't have enough in my wallet because I don't. The reason that this right here is paused is because I end up starting another stake. So therefore, this one couldn't start the new investment. Now, if I went back, right, if I went up here to buy BHC and bought the BHC and changed my BHC to Apis, then I could come back and put the necessary amount in that I needed to reinvest because of my mess up, if you get what I'm saying. But because I started another stake, I didn't have the Apis in my wallet. So I'm just leaving these here paused at 50% because of my mess up. Now, up here, as you see, I have two hedges, right? So I have 2 more days for this one and 7 more days for this one because I have restarted this one. This is my potential profit, my potential Apis profit, right? I'm already at 70% with this one. Now, from my understanding, it's 330% within 17 to 19 weeks. So I already know I'm not going to get that from this because in 17, 19 weeks because I messed up on the reinvestment. So just remember what I said. Go back and look at the other videos. But this one, I'm going to be on time. This one, I'm going to be on time. because now I know what to do. So, and there wasn't any material available for how to put your energy into the Beehive Hedge. Okay, so right here, right, I did the same thing right here. See, all these stakes that you see, the majority of these stakes that you see, especially like this, I messed up and started new stakes. I only had like 31 apples in my wallet, and I went on ahead and invested right here. You know, it's going to be little chump change apples. But as you see, I have to redo this one. You see, it's no profit. So, yeah. So this is how it go. As you see, this is how many percentage I've made off of this. And 70% off of this one, 60% off of this one, right? So my next thing I have to do is get another 8,497 coins for this to reinvest, and 5,000 for this to reinvest because of my screw up. And the same thing for this one because of my screw up, 3,526 for that one. Okay, these are fine. This one's fine. This one, let's see. No, I can't reinvest this one, though, because I don't have enough coins. So I have to get enough coins for this one to reinvest. And same for this one. Now, some of these are some large stakes. You see, this is 10,876 apples. Like, some of these aren't small. This is 7,000. This is 5,000. So mind you, yeah, I have to get the look, this is 16. This is 10. So I'm eventually gonna have to go. I could buy some now, but I'm eventually gonna have to go buy some coins to put in here, and I may just do that. So let me show you where you can get the coins at. So you go here to buy BHC. So it's going to take you to Infinihex.org to where you could purchase the Beehive coin. Right? So you see here BHC to TRX. 0.07 TRX is 1 BHC. I hope this thing pop up fast because it bullshits around. So, okay, great. Another thing, got to get some of the tokens. Token is like 3 cents. You got to get some tokens. Another sleeper coin, been around for over a year, if I'm right, over a year. Tewkenair. So, look in the sun. Sun is 677. Wow. Wow. I'm saying wow for a reason. Okay. Oh, shoot, I only have 300. Oh, the rest of my Tron is froze, so I need to purchase some more. 0.13. That's not bad. I'm going ahead and snatch this. See. Submitted successfully. Now that's another thing. See, we on Tron. Yeah. I don't know why Ethereum was built so slow. So I'm an Ethereum developer, but we on Tron, right? So there we go. Sometimes you have to wait way faster than Ethereum. Ethereum needs to get it together. Okay, so let's go back. BHC into the number of apples. Can't do that. We have to swap apples. Okay, so swap BHC to Apis. They need to correct that. 8 BHC equals 1 Apis. Wow. I didn't know that. I didn't even know that. So, excuse me. Anyway, we're going to do this whole thing. Fuck it. 2154.02. Yeah, I'm going to do it all. If it take it, I'm going to do it all. I'm not about to play with this. Okay, so done that swap. Let me check the wallet again. Tron usually works pretty fast. Yep, my energy low. Okay, it's gone. Is my Apis there? Y'all saw that it just left on camera. We're going to see how long it takes the Apis to get there, since my energy is so low. Okay, let's leave that alone. We're going to go to Beehive Hedge. Oh, never mind. It's up here. Bam. Is that the correct amount? Because I don't remember. It must be $21.96. All right. So we're going to invest $21.96.6 Apis into the project. Whoa. Hold on. Let me take that back. No. This isn't investment time. And remember, it was 8 Apis, 8 BHC coins to 1 Apis. So that's why I don't have the same amount of BHC coins. So now I need to go down here and see if I even paid enough. And what I need to do is look at these to see what to reinvest. So I still don't think I have enough. Hold on. Okay, I have enough for this one, I think. We'll see. Okay, I have enough for this one. So you see what I'm saying? So now I could reinvest Apis into this one right here, because this is what I received. Okay, so, and what I was supposed to do was reinvest the 2234.10 Apis. So I was supposed to push reinvest, but I didn't have it in my wallet because I spent it on another one of these, which was a mistake. So you really could have one investment box, but I ended up having 9. So anyway, you'll see what happened in a minute. The Tron interface is pretty fast. See? So I reinvested this, and my potential profit is 1421.7 Apis. Okay, so you saw that firsthand. So now, because of my mistake, I have to work on getting 54.38, right? And I have to work on getting 35, 26, 58, 12. So this is my mistake. So you all learn from my mistake. You get the Apis, reinvest. Get the Apis, reinvest. Get the Apis, wait for a minute, and then reinvest. Make sure you have the reinvestment amount. This is what you need to reinvest. If it doesn't reinvest, that's because you do not have this amount in your wallet for some reason, or it hasn't went through yet. The transaction hasn't went through yet. But when the transaction goes through, then you want to click reinvest after you punch withdrawal income. Wait for it to hit the wallet, then you reinvest. All right. This is today's Hedge Tron Hives Beehive Hedge lesson. So like and subscribe to the video. You know, I think this project has a lot of potential. So I think you can only mine Apis currently. So look into it, people. All right. Go watch the other videos also. Peace.